Are you looking for the best air compressor for home garage? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best air compressor on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Campbell Hausfeld Quiet Air Compressor. Campbell Hausfeld has yet another decent option present on this list for a domestic air compressor. Apart from this, Campbell Hausfeld features many other options for a quiet compressor that you should look at. The Campbell Hausfeld Portable Air Compressor is yet another premium choice for a quiet and portable air compressor. Compared to other options, you will find this unit offering pretty similar specifications such as 125 psi maximum air pressure level and 8 gallons tank capacity to store the pressurized air. It also requires a 120 volts input to operate, so make sure that you can provide that before you buy the compressor. Coming to the benefits of the Campbell Hausfeld Portable Air Compressor, you will be able to work in a quiet environment since this unit has a 68 dB noise rating, which is comparatively lower than many other options. Also, it has an oil-free pump that offers great performance without needing any maintenance whatsoever. You will also find various gauges and a regulator on the Campbell Hausfeld Portable Air Compressor that lets you monitor the tank pressure with ease. At number 2. Stark USA 65151 Air Compressor. Up next we will introduce you to some of the industrial-grade options that we have chosen for this list. Out of which, the following option from Stark USA is a rather cheaper alternative in comparison. The Stark USA 65151 air compressor is one of the few professional air compressors that we have included in our picks. It offers adjustable output air pressure with the maximum pressure range going as high as 125 psi. Even though the maximum pressure range is low, you will be able to store the pressurized air inside a 10-gallon tank, which is almost double of what you will find in other choices. Plus, this compressor works with a 3.5 HP motor for faster results. Therefore, the Stark USA 65151 air compressor is an ideal choice for applications like nailing, bolting, fastening, inflation, and many other types of pneumatic tools. While you are using the compressor for inflation, you will have a reliable fail-safe safety feature with an automatic shut-off valve that stops the airflow when the unit is fully inflated. Compared to other options with the same capacity, the Stark USA 65151 air compressor offers almost 50% quieter operation, which is pretty good. At number 3. Makita Mac 2400 Big Bore Air Compressor. If the portability of the air compressor is a deciding factor for you, then stop right here. The following option from Makita is going to be the best option on this list in terms of portability. The Makita Mac 2400 is arguably the most portable option we have for a domestic air compressor, with its dimensions measuring about 20 by 18 by 18.75 inches. It is possible since Makita has opted for a 4.2 gallons tank capacity on this unit, where other options feature 6 gallons capacity, if not higher. But apart from that, there are no compromises made on this machine, whether it is the specifications or power output. The Makita Mac 2400 is powered by a 4-pole 2.5 HP motor, offering a maximum air pressure of about 90 psi even with such a compact design. Also, the airflow rating of the Makita Mac 2400 is 4.2 CFM at 90 psi air pressure, which is nearly twice of other standard choices. The pump used in this compressor is oil lubricated in order to operate at a cooler temperature level and reduce internal wear and tear. At number 4. California Air Tools 8010 Steel Tank Air Compressor. Moving on to high-capacity options, we have a great option lined up from California Air Tools. With this air compressor, you will surely get a long-lasting output without needing to run the compressor frequently. The California Air Tools 8010 air compressor is one of the most durable and premium options we have for air compressors made for home garages. It is completely made up of steel to offer you durable performance and reliable build quality. And California Air Tools also has an aluminum option if you want an even better design quality. This is an ultra-quiet air compressor with a noise rating ranging below 60 dB. But it only generates a maximum air pressure of about 120 psi, which is less than other choices. Also, the continuous runtime of the California Air Tools 8010 air compressor ranges from 30 to 60 minutes based on your application. It should be enough for domestic applications. It is powered by an oil-free pump offering 1 HP power rating and is driven by a 2 HP peak capacity motor. The best quality of the California Air Tools 8010 air compressor is its tank capacity. Unlike other options that we have seen so far, this air compressor has an 8 gallons tank capacity that is preferable to frequent users. At number 5. DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor. We all are familiar with DeWalt since this brand manufactures a wide range of power tools and accessories. From its powered equipment category, we are bringing yet another pancake air compressor. In the third position, we have a highly reliable option for a domestic air compressor coming from DeWalt. The DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor, similar to the choices we have seen so far, offers 6 gallons tank capacity along with 2.6 CFM airflow while limiting the output at 90 psi. However, the maximum air pressure capacity of the DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor is around 165 psi, which is comparatively higher than most other premium options in the market. It is powered by a highly efficient motor that offers little to no problems even when you're using it in cold weather. You will be able to use the DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor from up to 50 feet away, so its application is pretty easy. DeWalt also promises a noise level of 78.5 or below with the DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor to create a soothing working environment. To maximize your pneumatic tools performance, this air compressor comes with a high flow regulator. At number 6. Porter Cable Air Compressor. Porter Cable is also bringing a similar air compressor for domestic applications just like our first pick. This unit is also very compact and can be moved easily. In the second place, we have the Porter Cable Air Compressor. You will find a lot of similarities in this unit compared to our first choice, as it also offers a maximum air pressure of about 150 psi and comes with a 6 gallons tank capacity. As for the overall form factor, the Porter Cable Air Compressor is a pancake air compressor that measures 18 by 18.55 by 15 inches, making it yet another compact option on this list. You will also get about 2.6 CFM airflow with the Porter Cable Air Compressor if the air pressure is set at 90 psi. This airflow is ideal for basic pneumatic applications and for using compressed air for other purposes. You will notice rubber feet at the bottom of the compressor, which keeps the unit stable and sturdy while you are using it. The main difference here is 2 regulated air couplers that allow 2 outputs simultaneously for increased output. At number 7. Bostitch Pancake Air Compressor. At the top of our list, we are bringing the most affordable option for a domestic air compressor. This option is made by Bostitch and it is quite a popular option amongst other choices. In the first place, we are putting the Bostitch Pancake Air Compressor. Apart from being the most affordable option, it is also a highly compact unit that will be ideal if you have small space left in your home garage for an air compressor. It features 6 gallons tank capacity and offers a maximum air pressure of about 150 psi, which is more or less standard for this type of air compressor. The Bostitch Pancake Air Compressor is a completely oil-free air compressor that comes with a built-in pump that requires no maintenance whatsoever. If you are using this compressor at 90 psi, you will receive air output at about 2.6 SCFM. Even though the CFM rating is low, it ensures that your pneumatic tools will be operational for a long time. The best benefit of the Bostitch Pancake Air Compressor is its noise level. Due to lower pressure, it operates at 78.5 dB, which creates a quiet working environment.